Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I figure I do this little intro because I am the worst blogger of all time and I always forget to do an intro and stuff like that. So here I'm sitting in the office. Today is Monday and we're gonna just recap for the weekend. So this is weekend vlogmas, I guess. I'm gonna bring you guys along on some home updates in the middle of the holiday season. Who else but Katie decides to do home projects? Just me, I guess. But I'm going to show you the transformation or the process of the entryway and the TV accent wall that we have done so far. So if you guys want to see what my weekend was like, keep on watching today's video. So I'm getting ready for the day. I don't know what I'm going to do with this hair. I have a full face of makeup because I am getting ready to record for the day for a JCPenney collaboration. So I didn't want to look all crazy. I usually look half crazy. You guys know this already. And for the person that keeps saying, stop saying you guys, this video is for you. Hey guys. Just a little inside joke. There is a person here on YouTube that decided to comment in all my videos. And she's like, stop saying you guys. And I say you guys a lot. And I know that. But hey, you guys, if it bothers you, you don't have to be here, sweetheart. Just keep it moving. We don't need you. Keep the good vibes only around here. So anyways, let me do something with this hair and I will come back because I had to tell you some good stuff that we're doing to the house this weekend and I'm super excited. That's like the reason why I haven't finished decorating for the holidays is because I was waiting on this project to be done so I could fully decorate. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Mis amores, quería poner un pedacito aquí en español para todos ustedes que me comentan y que me apoyan. Quiero darle las gracias porque ven mi video, aunque dicen ustedes que no entienden nada. Yo espero que por lo menos muy pronto le voy a estar haciendo la traducción otra vez, es que no he tenido el tiempo, pero que por lo menos se inspiren de ver los videos, aunque ustedes no entiendan mucho. Pero otra cosita sí les quiero decir que yo sí tengo un canal en español, mis amores, y no le fue bien a ese canal. Entonces, por eso es que no estoy poniendo contenido ahí, pero quiero el 2022, si Dios permite, poner contenido en español. Así que nada, quería pasar por aquí, agradecerles y desearles una feliz Navidad. So I'm ready for the day. This is the look. Before I start recording, I'm gonna go ahead and go really quick to the bakery to grab some breakfast, and I'm also gonna stop by TJ Maxx. I have some things that I have to return, so I'm just gonna, it's on the way there, why not? A quick stop at TJ Maxx before I start working. I just pull up to TJ Maxx. I have my breakfast here. This is a batido de mamey, which is like a milkshake with it's a Spanish milkshake, you guys. I don't even know how to explain it. But I also got a Cuban toast. I love going to the Cuban bakery. It's like my favorite thing to do. It's not good for my diet, but it's good for my belly. TJ Maxx, here I come. See what they have. I mean, I'm not supposed to be shopping. I just came to return this because my 30 days are almost up. They have a Ross here too. I might stop by. I still have time because I'm working with George from JP Renovations, and he is an hour and a half away from my house, so I got time. TJ Maxx was super crowded, you guys, so I didn't really record much, but look at this. Valentine's Day, it's already here. I think it's too early for this. So I went to TJ Maxx to return that stuff. The line was crazy. I left. I stopped at Ross. And look at this beautiful wreath that I found and a garland as well. I was done shopping. I went straight to start adding a little pep of holiday cheer to the bathroom. Here I'm showing you this really cute soap dispenser that lights up. This is from JCPenney and I will link it down below. I'm recording this Instagram collaboration with them for the holiday season. And for my towels, I decided to add this little cute wreath. Remember, I picked this up from Target Dollar Spot. That's how I use them. I think it's super cute and it's festive and, just makes everything cute. This bat rug is super soft and super neutral and I love it. It's from JCPenney. So this is how the guest bathroom is looking right now. I have big plans for this bathroom. I want to do an accent wall. We're going to remove that tape soon for the spring break. Not spring break, but for springtime. And this is how everything turned out. I love how neutral it is with a little pep of the holiday cheer. So the bathroom stool is from HomeGoods. This cute basket is also from HomeGoods. And that little tree that you see there, it's from Ross. This bathroom I decorated was Jayden's bathroom. I knew here I wanted to use a pop of traditional decor for the holiday season. He's a kid and you know kids love color. So I found the perfect pieces at my local JCPenney. So I will link those below. Look at this soap dispenser. How cute is that? He is in love. This one also lights up. It's a little mailbox. It's super cute. I also got this bat mat that is from JCPenney as well. And this one I got it at a local store called Didi's. And those little Mickey Mouse towels, I got them last year and I never used them. So I put them this year. And this is how his bathroom turned out. Looks super cute. So after I was done recording, I finally met with George and his friend, and we're gonna have a bite before we head to Home Depot. We are at Home Depot right now. That's George. Jorge right there. He's looking for the wood that we're gonna use for this TV wall. My face is so sweaty and oily. It's been a long day, you guys. But yes, let's see. You found it? We were at Home Depot to find the materials. We also went to Lowe's to get the wood slats, and then we were done for the night. Say we woke up and we were ready to start working on the first wall, which will be the entryway. This is the before of the entryway. Jorge was here already, you know, putting the slats, putting the wood, cutting and everything, and then me and the hubby head to Home Depot while he was doing that. So we're headed to Home Depot. Hey, say hello to the YouTube fam. So we headed to Home Depot right now. George stayed in the house. He started doing the entryway wall. I decided to go with a classic trim design because that wall is just too small, and I don't know. I couldn't decide on you know, design for the space. But anyways, I went with a classic Boron Baden wall, and I think it's just gonna look good there, and it's gonna be timeless. So now we're headed to Home Depot to buy the slats for my TV wall while he's doing that. We also have some exciting news because finally I'm gonna get to work in Jayden's room. So we're gonna do like a accent wall on that room as well with some trim. I bought those last night at Home Depot. And yeah, it is Sunday and it's like 10:30 in the morning and I look like this, and we're gonna get to work. So we visited another Home Depot and that was a fail. So we ended up at Lowe's again, and then I found the wood that I wanted to use for the TV wall, accent wall. And by the time we got back, you guys, to the house, George was pretty much done with the entryway, and this is how it turned out. I am obsessed. After we were done with the entryway wall, they moved into doing the TV wall. So I wanted to do wood slat, like the wood color slats, but the hubby wanted something more modern and more bold, and he wanted black. And I was like, oh my God, it was either black or gray. And I didn't want to do gray because I feel like we have too much gray going on. So he was like, black it is. And you guys, it's beautiful, but I just need to get used to this. So this is how the TV accent wall came out with the slats, the black slats. You guys, it's super pretty, super modern. We're gonna be adding a 3D paneling around it, which is gonna have lighting and everything, but that's custom, so I'm waiting to order that. And then I'm gonna put like a really modern TV stand, very low, sitting on the floor. The next day, on Monday, we started working in Jayden's room, and this took literally like 30 minutes, honestly. We just didn't plan any design. We started just going with the flow, and I wanted something simple but something that would act tester to the wall. And you guys, George delivered exactly what we wanted. Jayden had fun even painting, and this is how Jayden walls looks. We still need one more coat of paint and then just to cleaning. So I will catch you all on my next vlog, you guys. I hope you're enjoying this behind the scenes.